M.O.G Productions, Hall of Fame Records, proudly presents the Tramp.
Rich man called me, said don't waste your life away. Get a job with a decent wage. I said I got a job busking for all this change. One day I'll be on that big old stage. I don't need no silver, I don't need no gold. Money comes and no money goes. Said he don't have much but a couple jokes. Laugh and smoke till that break of dawn. Talk about everything and nothing and all. I don't need no silver, I don't need no gold. Money comes and no money goes. Have a pocket so deep, but that barman took it off from me. I prefer that good old life out on the street, not knowing where my next meal's gonna be. I don't need that silver, I don't need that gold. Money comes and well, money goes. Wise man said, all we got is time. Don't waste it all away or working 9 to 5. Time is worth more than money that you make. You understand this when you're one foot in the grave. I don't need that silver, I don't need no gold. Well, money comes and well, money goes. M.O.G Production.